Hello बच्चों, so let's read the question. The question says, based on which of the following the neurons are divided into three major types. First option है based on the size of the neuron, second is based on the length of the neurons, third is based on the number of axons and dendrites, and fourth is based on the power of their division. So the key concept of this question is neurons. Neurons जो होते हैं, they are basically the structural and functional unit of the nervous system. Moreover, neurons जो होते हैं, they have been divided into three parts. First is the cell body. Second is the dendrites. And third is the axon. So, if this is the diagram of a neuron, so ये वाला region जो होता है, इसको cell body बोला जाता है. These regions are called the dendrites. The cell bodies contain certain granules which are known as the Nissel's granules. This is the nucleus of the cell body. This region is called the axon, जो elongated region है. And some axons contain myelin sheath which are made up of Schwann cells. Some axons are also unmyelinated, they are non-myelinated. So axon can be either they can be myelinated. Myelinated axons have Schwann cells, or they can be non-myelinated. This region is called the axon terminus, जहाँ पे axon जो होता है वो terminate करता है. And these regions are called the synaptic knobs. So axon terminals basically end in bulb-shaped structures called the synaptic knobs. Synaptic knobs are basically bulb-shaped endings or bulb-shaped structures जिनमें न्यूरोट्रांसमीटर प्रेजेंट होता है. एक्सॉन का जो फंक्शन होता है दैट इज द कंडक्शन ऑफ द नर्व इम्पल्स. Conduction of nerve impulse by the release of neurotransmitter in the synapse. जो dendrites होते हैं, they help in the reception of nerve impulse. The neurons are divided into three categories on the basis of number of axons and dendrites. So ये three categories होता है. सबसे पहला is unipolar, second is multipolar, and third is bipolar. Neurons are basically a cell body plus one axon only. There are no dendrites. Multipolar neuron होता है cell body plus one axon plus many dendrites. Many or two or many dendrites. And bipolar neurons होते हैं जिसमें cell body होता है plus one axon होता है and one ही dendrite होता है. Coming back to the question में हमें बोला है कि neurons के three major types किस basis पे divide किए गए हैं. So the first option is on the basis of the size of the neurons, which is wrong. Second is on the basis of the length of the neurons, which is also wrong. Third, based on the number of axons and dendrites, उन basis पे ही उनको unipolar जिनका एक ही axon होता है, bipolar जिनका एक axon और एक dendrite होता है, और multipolar जिनके पास एक axon और two और more dendrites होते हैं. सो उस बेसिस पे डिवाइड किया गया है, एंड फोर्थ बेस्ड ऑन द पावर ऑफ द डिवीजन, दिस इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. सो द फाइनल आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज ऑप्शन सी. होप यू अंडरस्टूड वेल. बेस्ट ऑफ लक.